Hi, I'm Lee Johnson with Brownfield Real Estate Group, and today I am with Sarah Beers from Hancock Home Mortgage.
Hi everyone, Sarah Beers, mortgage loan originator on the Space Coast of Florida. It's wonderful to be here with you, Lee, and all of you today. I'm excited to talk about VA loans, how they work, and how we can make them work for you.
So today, this is part of a three-part series, and this is part number 2. So if you haven't seen part number 1, go back and watch it too after you're done with this. And today we're going to be talking about living off base. So whether you're PCSing or you're just tired of living on base, this is a great opportunity to learn a little bit more about what it's like to try and get off base and what it's like to try and buy a townhome or a condo, because Patrick's Space Force Base, which is our closest base here in this county, is on the Barrier Island. So there's a lot more condos and townhomes than there are individual homes in that area.
So we know for those PCSing, timing can be stressful. So we are here to help you all with that. When moving over to the Space Coast here, we would love to get in touch with you early and often. We have paperwork that we need to collect. We have certificate of eligibilities. We need to get you pre-approved. And over here, so we can either have you look or Lee can do a virtual walkthrough on some of these homes. So Lee was talking about townhouses and condos. For a VA loan, you have to be, the condo and the townhome need to be VA approved. What does that mean? We need to make sure that these homes are safe, sound, and sanitary. And also for the townhomes and condos, we need to make sure that they have a good budget, that the insurance is in place, that it's a viable project. So we need to be in touch with the Homeowners Association if it is not a pre-approved project to get it approved. And that can take time, weeks. We have to have a good contact at the HOA. We need to make sure that we are in good communications with them. So what I say is before we go falling in love with a townhouse or a condo, we either need to A, make sure that it is on the VA approved list, or B, make sure to get it on that list prior to you moving out here.
Now, if you've been already in contact with an agent, either through having already hired a lender that recommended an agent or you contact an agent directly, they can do that for you. They can make sure that any townhomes or condos that they're sending information to you are already pre-approved so that you don't have to worry about that at all. If you have a townhome or condo that you're particularly interested in, I can always go do the research and find out whether or not it's been approved. Now, as Sarah said, we can go through the process of getting it approved if it's approvable.
Correct.
But it does take more time. And of course, when you're PCSing, that is sometimes a very short amount of time for you to get all the things that you need done. Of course, the other option is to live on base. And we know that's always an option. But if you'll go back and watch the first video, we talk about how easy it is to get a VA loan, how many advantages there are to getting a VA loan, and why it can be such a great thing for you to be able to find a place with more stability for your family, maybe a better school system for your kids, or whatever it is you're looking for. Maybe you'd rather live on the mainland rather than on the beach side, and find a more affordable home. And of course, then there's the other advantage of building equity in a home while you're living here, and then when you leave, you turn around and sell it, and you get to put that money in your pocket.
Absolutely.
And of course, the other really nice thing is that the military, when you're active duty, gives you an allowance for your home. And so and a lot of times that amount of money can be utilized to pay your mortgage, right, Sarah?
Absolutely, yeah. The base housing allowance, we use that as considered steady income. So that is part of what how we calculate the VA loan. So a lot of times that does cover it. And if not, it's a great start to be able to afford your home. So with a housing allowance and maybe a little bit, in from you or a spouse, you can get a really nice home here in the area. Yeah.
And of course, the Space Coast is one of the most affordable places in the entire state of Florida.
Absolutely.
So that really makes it very appealing to go purchase a home here. And as long as you're working with a realtor who understands the time periods that you're going to be living here and on, they're going to make sure that you're in an area that is highly sellable as well as purchasable. That way you are getting the equity built in and you are able to turn around and resell that home as soon as you need to be moving and moving on to your next base. So if you're already stationed somewhere else and you have smartly already utilized your VA benefits, your entitlement, don't be afraid to continue to use that, right, Sarah? How does that work?
Absolutely. So VA loans are not just for first-time home buyers. VA loans are for veterans, active military members, Guard members that qualify. So we understand that our military, you move around, you PCS from station to station. So what that means is that you can use your benefits. Say you're stationed up in Virginia, you purchased a home there, you used part of your VA benefit. That's wonderful. What you can do if you sell the home, you can reapply for a full VA benefit for full entitlement again. If you pay off that home, the same thing. Or you can actually use that for a rental as well if you so choose, and come down to Florida if you're PCSing here to Patrick and purchase a home using the remaining of that entitlement. So not all is lost. It's actually a really good program, and you could come up with some really nice ancillary income or be able to gain that equity that you so desire.
So as you can clearly tell, there are a lot more options than many veterans or active duty people really understand about VA loans. As a matter of fact, VA loans, out of 1,000 active duty or veterans out purchasing homes or thinking about purchasing homes, less than 25 of you are utilizing the VA loan. But if you get involved with a solid realtor and a solid mortgage lender, they're going to help walk you through this and take away all the myths and take away the difficulty and make this a much more affordable option for you with a VA loan that your government is going out of their way to provide to you.
Absolutely. You go out of your way to help us with all of your service, which we thank you for. And this is a really nice benefit that you should be taking advantage of.
So whether you're wanting to purchase a house or you're looking for a condo or townhome, don't hesitate to reach out first. Get that certificate of entitlement or reach out to a lender first and let them help you with that COE. We'll do video walkthroughs on any houses or homes you might be interested in. We'll talk about your housing allowance and how that can be part of your monthly payments. And we will find the perfect home for you in no time flat. I'm Lee Johnson with Brownfield Real Estate Group.
Sarah Beers with Hancock Mortgage.
Thanks so much for listening, and stick around for part 3. It'll be out shortly.